Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another character from Baldi's Basic, and this time it's first prize. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this is a really weird looking character, and I guess what would you expect from Baldi, right? Okay, so to begin, we're gonna start out with the eye area, and we can draw in just basically a rectangle first. Okay, and then inside is gonna be the eyeball, so we're just gonna draw one circle in here, and then another one on this side. My circle is a little bit wobbly. And then for the inside, we're gonna draw in one circle in here, and then on this side, it's gonna be on this edge here. And I know it's a little bit confusing, but let me shade this in real quick. So that's the eyeball. Okay, and then the inside here is black too, that's why it's a little bit weird. So I'm gonna fill this in black as well. So it's actually gonna look like two kind of like crescent moon shapes. Okay, so that's the eye. So now let's draw in the mouth, and the mouth is weird. We're just gonna come down and just draw one line across first. And then we're gonna draw the lower lip, and this one's gonna be at a slant. So draw that slant. And then just kind of give us a little bit of thickness. Okay, and then we're gonna come down. Okay, slant on this side. And then we're gonna close this off. So it's a little rectangle. And then now to finish up the mouth area, go back up here and just kind of come straight down. And let me shade that in as well so we can see this. Because it looks like it's mouth is falling apart or something, right? Okay, so that's the features, and now we just have to draw a circle around it. So just come out here, you can draw like a half circle all the way around. And then we're gonna draw the bottom, and this one's gonna go behind the mouth area. Alright, so that's the head. And let's move on to his fingers or his hand. So on the side here, we're gonna draw one of his fingers. So we're gonna draw one circle, and then we're gonna draw three more, kind of like with an arc. So it kind of goes up, and then it's gonna come back down on the last one here. It's really weird. Okay, and then for his thumb here, we just kind of comes down from this finger here. I'm gonna draw another circle. Okay, and then now for the palm, we're just gonna draw a circle all the way around. So this one's a little bit easier. Okay, so that's one, and the other one's gonna be the same. So just kind of come out around the same area here. So use the other side for reference so you know how far up or down. So I'm gonna go up. Two more, one. And this one's gonna come back down slightly. And then again, his thumb, just come down a little bit. Come into the body a little bit. Circle, and then now here, connect this, and this is gonna be one big circle. Alright, so now you have the hands, and let's move on to this little frame. And this is really weird. Okay, so right here, we're just gonna connect it. This horizontal line, just connect the thumbs, and we can just draw one more. So it's one bar. And then here there's gonna be another bar. So start from here, just kind of go into the face. And then one more here. So same thing. Alright, and then down here we have to draw the heart. So let's come in the middle. You can make a little point here first, and then we're gonna go up on both sides. I'm gonna curve it out, and it's not a perfectly round heart, so it's okay if your shape's a little bit angular. And then from here, you can come down the middle. You can make a little point first, if that makes it a little bit easier. And just come all the way down, finish up the heart. And then once we have the heart, now we're gonna draw the frame around it. So we're gonna come down here. Okay, same thing here, straight down. And then we're gonna come across, just connect that with a horizontal line. And then once you have this, now we're just gonna draw in another box. So this one's easy. We just kind of follow in the lines that we have already. Give it a nice frame. Okay, and then in here, there's gonna be a bar right across the heart. So here's the point that you want to go to. So we can just make a mark and then just go all the way to the corner. So 1, and then we're just gonna give this line some thickness here. 2, and then you have to erase that out. Okay, so it's because it's going over the heart. Okay, and then for the other one, so this one's behind the heart, so we're gonna draw it this way, and then just imagine there's a line keep going through. And then after that, just give this one some thickness. So that one's easy. Okay, and then this one would be another one behind. So this one's just gonna be horizontal line. And then again, some thickness here. Okay, and now for the tracks here, the little tank treads, let's draw in a little square right here. Okay, so come down and then start back up here, just one square. And if you want it, you can add in, make it a little bit more interesting. We're adding the track. Okay, and then he's got some wires, connecting to from his head to the heart. So we're gonna start here. I'm just gonna give it some thickness here. This one wire kind of connects to that, and there's another one. Okay, and then looks like there's one more here. So I'm just gonna draw. Goes from here to here somewhere. And that is it for this very odd looking first prize character from Baldi's Basics. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.